Are you looking at today's fast-paced event landscape? Branding has become more visual and immersive than ever. That's why portable logo projectors are rapidly gaining popularity among businesses, event planners, and marketers. These devices project high-definition logos and graphics onto walls, floors, or ceilings, instantly elevating brand visibility. In this guide, we evaluate the best portable logo projectors for events. List 1. Aliexpress 60-watt LED GOBO projector, rotating logo projector, IP66 waterproof, with remote including free custom glass GOBO. This powerful 60-watt LED GOBO projector from Aliexpress offers superb projection clarity with a high brightness output, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor events. The unit includes a free custom glass GOBO, which is a huge value add for branding purposes. Thanks to its IP66 waterproof rating, it can easily withstand rainy outdoor conditions. The rotating lens adds a dynamic effect to logos, helping catch attention from all angles. You'll also love the convenient remote control, which allows for rotation speed adjustments and easy on-off functionality. Overall, it's a reliable and well-built projector, perfect for store openings, corporate events, or even weddings. List number 50W logo projector for business custom GOBO projectors. Rotating store floor, personalized wall outdoor. This 50W GOBO projector is tailored for businesses aiming to create a strong visual impact at events or storefronts. It offers high-resolution logo projection, capable of rotating your design across walls, floors, or signage spaces. The construction feels durable and weather-resistant, ideal for semi-outdoor or shaded exterior areas. While it doesn't include a GOBO in the package, it's compatible with standard-sized custom GOBOs. The rotating feature ensures your logo isn't static, giving a lively and engaging display. Overall, it's a great mid-range solution for companies that need performance without breaking the bank. List number: custom logo projector lights. Custom GOBO projectors for store, business, or wall, outdoor, waterproof. If you're after affordability and versatility, this custom logo projector hits a sweet spot. Designed with event branding and commercial promotions in mind, this unit is suitable for both indoor and outdoor usage thanks to its IP-rated waterproofing. The compact design is easy to set up and transport, making it excellent for on-the-go event teams. It supports custom GOBOs and projects crisp, vibrant images even in ambient lighting. One of the standout features is its straightforward installation process, which doesn't require a lot of technical knowledge. It's a top pick for pop-up events, exhibitions, and retail promotions. List number: Aliexpress 1080p projector with Wi-Fi and two-way Bluetooth. Full HD movie projector for outdoor movies. 300-inch display. While not a traditional GOBO projector, the Aliexpress 1080p projector offers flexibility for multimedia-driven events. It supports Wi-Fi and two-way Bluetooth, allowing easy connection to laptops, speakers, and smartphones. You can use it to project logos via slides or videos, making it ideal for digital branding setups. Its full HD resolution and large 300-inch display capability provide a rich, immersive experience. Though it lacks custom GOBO functionality, its portability, versatility, and ease of use make it a solid alternative for dynamic event content beyond static logos. List number 65W LED GOBO projector, free custom logo, IP67 waterproof, rotating lens image. With a high-powered 65W LED and an IP67 waterproof rating, this projector is a beast when it comes to all-weather performance. It comes bundled with a free custom logo GOBO, offering excellent value out of the box. The rotating lens feature creates an animated logo effect, great for drawing attention at busy venues. The build quality is solid, and it works well in both commercial and high-end event environments. It's slightly heavier than others, but the projection brightness more than makes up for the extra weight. This projector is perfect for large venues, building exteriors, or high-traffic trade shows.